afternoon, everyone. My name is Annalisa Fench. Ikea is an internationally known furniture company founded in 1943 in Älmhult, Sweden. Its founder, Ingvar Krampan, began selling furniture as a way to help his family get by. Today, Ikea has been massively successful. According to Statista, as of 2019, Ikea is worth 41 billion euros and has locations in over 40 countries across the world. But what helps Ikea keep this success going? Strong business techniques and unique marketing strategies have carried them through the years. Today, Ikea focuses on having a strong brand identity, catering directly to their target audience's needs, and making sure a trip to Ikea is a unique one. Ikea is quintessentially Swedish. Their whole brand identity is centered around it. Blue and yellow are the colors of the store and the logo, which echo back to the colors of the Swedish flag. The colors are followed directly by the language. When entering a store, you might be welcomed by "Hey," the Swedish word for hello. Additionally, every product in the store is named after a word in the language. For example, you can pick up a nightlight called spooka, which means ghost in Swedish. The design of these products follow the modern minimalist style that is popular throughout Swedish homes. According to Optinmonster, when people see an Ikea product, they can just tell it's an Ikea product. That's strong brand identity at its best. Ikea focuses in on their target audience to a T. Their target audience is the global middle class, a group of people who are looking for affordable but quality furniture. It's reflected in their vision statement, to create a better everyday life for the many people, and their tagline, affordable solutions for everyday life. Recently, their efforts to reach out to their target audience have moved over to a new Instagram campaign. Using the polling feature on the app, customers were allowed to pick a design for an ergonomic handle. Whichever one is voted for the most is going to become the actual handle for a future Ikea product. According to AM Collective, Ikea is very open about their design process. It's a process that takes a while because they take feedback directly from their customers and implement it into their products to get the best possible design. Catering to their target audience's needs on these many levels has helped Ikea be successful. Now, taking a trip to Ikea takes planning. A couple of hours of your day might be spent there. This is because the store is designed to have its own unique experience that can take a while to get through. Ikea is massive. When you first enter, you're guided up an escalator to the top floor showroom and marketplace. In the showroom, there are rooms designed to show off Ikea products. And in the marketplace, there are bins full of smaller products that you can pick up. However, if you want one of the larger furniture items, you have to write down the name, the number, and the location of the product. And when you're done on the top floor, go back downstairs to the bottom floor warehouse where you can pick up the item yourself and check out. Yet, despite the fact that furniture is the main reason why somebody goes to an Ikea, there are still other activities that you can do. The store has a restaurant in it where you can enjoy Swedish foods such as Swedish meatballs and lingonberries. There's a play place where kids can go. And before you leave, there's another marketplace for Swedish food where you can pick up food from the kitchen to go as well as other Swedish snacks and beverages. This makes it very difficult to leave Ikea without looking at everything, which often makes it so customers leave with more than they bargained for. This helps to boost sales, as an article by the BBC discusses. But it also keeps people coming back for that uniquely Ikea experience. Ikea has been the world's largest furniture retailer since 2008. Their business strategies of having a strong brand identity, catering directly to their target audience's needs, and making a trip to Ikea a unique experience have all helped in this. IKEA knows what to do to attract customers to its store, but they also know what to do to keep them coming back time after time. Thank you.